Colpack is a British designer and manufacturer of paperboard food packaging. Our products are made in the UK and used globally, helping you to sell more food. Our skilled team and collaborative culture make our business, utilising design and materials knowledge and manufacturing experience. Sustainability is embedded at every step, in the products we make and the way we work. We listen to understand your challenges and opportunities, and collaborate to create solutions. We continuously develop designs to enhance sustainability and protect and present your food at all points within the supply chain. We pioneer new materials and technologies so you can innovate without risk. Our UK factory is agile, so we make what you need when you need it, keeping you in stock. We manage all parts of our process, from concept and design through to print and manufacture. Our products are thoroughly tested, and certifications demonstrate our commitment to quality across food safety, sustainability, and industry standards. Awards reinforce our innovation and expertise. Design and manufacturing all under one roof. Colpack, your creative packaging partner.